It's time for another batch of Galaxy S11 news. How is everyone doing? If you'd like to support the channel, click the like button and subscribe with notifications on. Today we're gonna talk about the Snapdragon 865, which is the processor that's gonna be inside the Galaxy S11 in regions like North America and China. The rest of the world gets the Exynos 990, and yes, Exynos 990 is the same thing as Exynos 9830. Samsung indirectly say this on the official 990 page, as I showed a couple videos ago, and now we have another official Samsung page with the 990 part number. And as you can see, it says S5E9830. By the way, part numbers for Exynos 9820 and 9825 were S5E9820 and S5E9825 respectively. If you want to learn more about the 990, you can watch this video. Now, the Snapdragon 865 specs got leaked by Digital Chat Station on the Chinese forum Weibo. It's still an 8-core processor, but just like the Exynos 990, it will be based on 7nm manufacturing process using new extreme ultraviolet technology. One core will be the Cryo Gold Cortex A77 at 2.85 GHz. Another 3 cores will also be A77 but slightly underclocked at 2.42 GHz. The last 4 are going to be low-performance Cryo Silver Cortex A55 cores for general purpose at 1.8 GHz. Now, if you compare that to the Exynos 990, we can see some similarities and differences. Both chipsets use Cortex A55 for low-demanding tasks. But when it comes to high performance, all of Snapdragon's cores are the latest Cortex A77. But half of the Exynos cores are high-end custom M5 cores, while the other half are Cortex A76 from last year, which will be obviously weaker than the latest Cortex A77. This could mean the Snapdragon variant of the Galaxy S11 will be more powerful than the Exynos variant, which is kinda disappointing, especially that Samsung will also be manufacturing the Snapdragon 865 for Qualcomm. It might have something to do with Samsung not being able to fit the fully custom M5 cores and the A77 cores on the same chip. Luckily, this will change after the Galaxy S11, as Samsung will be giving up fully custom cores. They will also be collaborating with AMD for RDNA GPUs, which is going to be interesting. Speaking of GPUs, the Adreno 650 is supposed to be 17 to 20% better than last year's Adreno 640. And other than this, the chipset also has support for LPDDR5 RAM and 5G with the X55 5G modem. Qualcomm will be announcing the chipset in a little under 3 weeks, and I'm going to update you with more information about it, so make sure you're subscribed and turn on notifications. And if you want, you can watch other videos I made about the Galaxy S11 through their playlist. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.